Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy and I make all kinds of beauty content. So if that's what you like, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you will know when I do uploads. Today we're going to do a patriotic look in honor of the 250th anniversary of our 4th of July. And so let's get started. I do have my eyes primed. I have moved my mirror to a different position, so it may be a little bit awkward for me, but we'll see how that works out for us. I thought it would not show. It's not showing here. I've got it here and it's not showing, but I'm not used to doing my makeup on that angle, so it's gonna do it. Anyway, so this is a palette I got from Amazon. It looks like I've got several shades of red in here I can choose from. This says Jawbreaker Jeffree Star, but I don't think it is because I didn't pay that much for it. So, but anyway, we're going to give it a try and see how we like it. I think I paid $16.99 for this. Now I'm looking for, I think I'm going to stick with this red right here in the corner and take that on the lid. And the crease area. A little bit above the crease. I hope y'all can see. Let's see. Let's move this. Is that better? I'm going to darken that up a little bit more. So I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I want this shade of blue right here. You can use any shade you like. I'm just trying to match my top. I'm taking it to outer half, but not hitting all the way, covering up all the red. It's at half. Because we're going to use this as an underline also. Now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to put on my lid to make it wider. Hopefully try to do a cut crease. Don't know how we'll do it. We'll see. This is real stiff and I don't like it, so we'll see how that works out. Might need to do a little bit more. Now I've got me a flat brush. I'm going to start off with this white because it's a little bit matte. And then there's another white with a little bit of a shimmer. I'm going to put that on there also. So I've laid that down. And then there's a white with some shimmer. I wish it was shimmerier, but it's not. And I hunted through all my multi-chromes. I couldn't find just a white. They all had like a pink shift or something to them. But this is pretty. Now I'm going to kind of blend the red a little bit more. So I believe I'm going to line that cut crease a little bit, maybe with this darker shade of red here, but you can use just the plain red if you want. I'm just seeing how that looks, and if I don't like it, I will cover it up. Now I'm going to take this blue that I've been using, and I'm going to line my under eye. I'm going to use some blue liner and mascara today. Okay, let's take the tape off, clean this up, and see what it looks like. I ended up using this shade of blue on the top lashes and this shade of blue on the bottom lashes. And the liner I used was a navy blue. I didn't have anything this shade, although that would have been super pretty. So another thing you can do if you have like a stamper or something, stamp some stars on, but I didn't have any. So, or like there's like star stickers that you can, do, but I didn't have any. So we're just sticking just with eyeshadow. So let's clean this up. See how we like it. This is just the sponge that I used my tinted moisturizer on. Well, it's not really tinted, color correcting today. Okay, before we go any further on our brow, I want to add some of this shimmery white right here that we used. Sort of brow highlight. Alrighty, so I just decided on a real neutral look, so we're going to use the Twinkie lip kit again. Okay, so this is the finished look. Do you like it? I'm trying to think up something else for another look, and stay tuned because I'm going to have a video, a swatch party, swatching all my Patriotic palettes that I can find. I had more, but I had to throw them in the trash because I used one and it hurt my eyes, so I thought, well, it's expired. And so I threw it all from that batch away. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And I'm going to do some more patriotic videos, but they will be in shorts. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.